Regular car servicing may seem like a tick box, and whilst it's one of the best ways to keep your car running safely, reliably, and smoothly, it may seem like a small saving up front, but can cost you a lot further down the line. So, here are 5 things that can happen if you don't regularly service your car.
Number one, engine problems. Over time, engine oil and filters get dirty, and without a service, your engine isn't properly lubricated, which increases wear and tear. This can lead to reduced performance or even costly engine damage. Number two, brake and safety issues. A service checks your brakes, tyres, lights, and steering components, and ignoring this means worn brake pads or underinflated tyres could put you and others at risk on the road. Number three, higher repair bills. Small issues spotted during a service are usually cheap to fix. Skip it, and those same problems can become major repairs further down the line. Think hundreds, not tens of pounds.
And don't forget to stay up to date on all things tyres and servicing, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Number four, MOT failures. Even though an MOT is separate from a service, a neglected car is more likely to fail its MOT. A simple service can catch problems before they become MOT failures. And number five, lower resale value. Cars with irregular service histories are harder to sell and usually fetch less. Keeping a full service record shows buyers your car has been well cared for.
So there we have it. Servicing your car on time is going to help keep it running smoothly and reliably, as well as helping it maintain its value. So don't skip it, because your future self and wallet will thank you later. To find out more, head to EdenTyres.com.